Welcome to Voyage to the Falls, Niagara City Cruises by Hornblower, where adventure meets awe-inspiring natural wonders. Get ready to embark on a journey of a lifetime as we take you up close and personal to the breathtaking Niagara Falls. Our iconic 20-minute Voyage to the Falls boat tour promises unforgettable views of the Niagara Gorge, American Falls, and Bridal Veil Falls. But the real highlight? Coming face to face with the famous Canadian Horseshoe Falls. Feel the thundering roar, the awesome power, and the amazing mist that accompany these natural wonders. Or experience a different kind of magic with a sunset ride, where the falls are illuminated for a mesmerizing light mist experience. Experience the must-do thrill of getting up close and personal with the amazing power of the Horseshoe Falls. Rain or shine, Niagara City Cruises by Hornblower sets sail from Niagara Falls, Canada. Plus, every guest receives a complimentary recyclable mist poncho to stay dry and comfortable during the cruise. After your cruise, why not stay and experience the riverside patio for delicious food, refreshing drinks, and more fun? So, what are you waiting for? Book your adventure today and experience the wonder of Niagara Falls like never before with Niagara City Cruises by Hornblower. Don't forget to like and subscribe to ToNiagara for more amazing travel experiences. Until next time, happy travels!